Did you know that some animals can breathe through their butts? And what if I told you that this bizarre ability could one day save human lives? It sounds like a joke, and in fact, the research behind it did win an Ig Nobel Prize. The award for science that first makes you laugh, then makes you think. But this is no joke. The study, led by Dr. Takanori Takebe, explores a wild idea called enteral ventilation via anus, or EVER. The concept comes from aquatic animals like loaches, which can absorb oxygen through their intestines. When their gills can't get enough, Dr. Takebe's team wondered, could mammals do the same? They tested this on mice and pigs suffering from severe respiratory failure, a condition where the lungs just can't get enough oxygen into the body. This is a huge problem in medicine, especially during events like the COVID-19 pandemic, when ventilators are scarce, and more advanced options like ECMO are incredibly invasive and limited. So how did they do it? They tried two methods. First, they administered pure oxygen gas through the rectum. It worked, raising oxygen levels. But it wasn't perfect. The second method was the real breakthrough. They used an enema with a special, oxygen-rich liquid called a 𝗕𝗥𝗘𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗔. This liquid is amazing because it can carry huge amounts of dissolved oxygen. The results were stunning. The liquid enema safely and effectively delivered oxygen into the bloodstream through the intestinal lining, rescuing the animals from life-threatening low oxygen states and significantly extending their survival. The oxygen simply diffuses from the gut into the rich network of blood vessels there, completely bypassing the damaged lungs. Now, why is this butt-breathing idea being taken so seriously? Because it addresses a critical unmet need. Imagine a patient whose lungs are failing and there are no ventilators available, or even a ventilator isn't enough. Instead of a complex surgical procedure like ECMO, a doctor could potentially administer a simple, life-saving enema. This could be a game changer in emergency rooms, in ambulances, or even on the battlefield. It's a minimally invasive, low-cost way to buy precious time for patients. This research isn't just a quirky experiment. It was published in a top scientific journal and shows real promise. Of course, human trials are the next crucial step to figure out the exact methods and safety for patients. But it's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most groundbreaking solutions come from the most unexpected places. It's a perfect example of how curiosity-driven science, even when it seems funny at first, can lead to incredible innovations that have the potential to save lives. What do you think about this wild but brilliant idea? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love learning about cutting-edge science, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.